Top 10 Salesforce apps every admin should know about in 2024. Salesforce is now vital for firms that want to improve their CRM. To maximize its potential, Salesforce admins must use apps on the App Exchange. These apps have advanced features. Salesforce environments with greater efficiency. With the constant influx of new tools, it can be hard to find the most relevant apps. In 2024, several must-have Salesforce apps emerged. Enhanced reporting and analytics. Tableau CRM. Salesforce has great reporting tools. For deeper analytics, use Tableau CRM, which was before known as Einstein Analytics. It's the best app for that. It has advanced data visualization. It helps admins find insights to drive business decisions. Simplifying data management. Data loader. Managing data in Salesforce can be tough, especially with bulk records. Data loader is a native Salesforce tool. Every admin should master it for data import, export, update, and deletion. Improving user adoption. WalkMe for Salesforce admins. Ensuring high user adoption rates is essential. WalkMe is an app for onboarding and training users in Salesforce. Enhanced security and compliance. Own backup. Data security and compliance are top priorities for Salesforce admins. Own Backup is a vital app for data backup, recovery, and compliance in Salesforce. Streamlining workflow automation. Process Builder. Salesforce's Process Builder is a tool for admins. It automates business processes to reduce manual work and errors. Efficient data cleaning. Duplicate check for Salesforce. Data duplication is a common issue that can impact the quality of Salesforce data. Duplicate check for Salesforce is an app. It finds and merges duplicate records. This keeps the database clean. Seamless email integration. Salesforce Inbox. Salesforce Inbox is an essential app for integrating email communications directly into Salesforce. This integration allows for more efficient tracking and management of customer interactions. Enhanced document management. Conga Composer. Admins often need to generate documents like quotes, contracts, and proposals. Conga Composer simplifies this. It allows users to create complex, dynamic documents in Salesforce. Advanced data analysis. Dataloader.io. Dataloader.io is a popular data management app. It complements Salesforce's Data Loader. It has a more user-friendly, cloud-based interface. Comprehensive field management. FieldTrip. FieldTrip is an app that helps admins analyze the usage of fields in Salesforce. It shows which fields are the most and least used. This helps with data cleanup and optimization. Conclusion. In 2024, Salesforce admins have many apps to boost productivity. They help streamline workflows and keep data intact. The 10 apps discussed here are essential for managing Salesforce. They include Tableau CRM for advanced analytics and FieldTrip for field management. Using these apps in daily tasks can help Salesforce admins. They can optimize their CRM, drive better user adoption, and maximize Salesforce. As the platform evolves, it's key to stay up to date with its tools.